What's doing? Welcome back. We've got another new product. You wouldn't read about it. This time on the old Ranger Danger. We have another exciting product for these things. 4-inch exhaust as well. Let's have a look underneath the car because it's ready to go and we can talk about it as we go. All right, so now we're underneath it. Look at this. 4 inches of fury. So same thing, DPF back all the way through, and nice little a diff dumpy right there just at the dip. Now this is the same thing, all in stainless. We can do a lobster tail at the end as well, which you'll see in our Navara ones in the previous version. I might even drop a photo in here. So you can do lobster tail, and we can do the electro finishing as well. So if you don't like the coloured finish, we can do a non-coloured finish with our polishing that we can do as well, make it all nice and neat and tidy. This one's in the car being tested, so you can see the non-polished versus non-polished versus polished. I'll get my English out somewhere, but these are going to be available on the website as well. We'll drop the car down, we'll show you what it sounds like, and we'll do a driveway so you can see what it sounds like. But yeah, these are the 4-inch exhausts for the Rangers and BT50s, the 3.2s. Pretty sure they should fit the 2.2s as well. We'll do a check, but they'll definitely go on the 3.2s all the way through from Mark 1 to PX1 through PX3. Diff dump, 4-inch, stainless steel. Let's have a listen. Alright, now we'll go for a drive so you can see what it sounds like. So this car has plus 30s and a G turbo, so the stoot's going to be a little bit excessive, but you'll get the idea of the noise. So that's a proper loud boy. So yeah, these are going to be on the website live, ready to go. I'll throw a link in the description down below. You can buy these, we can ship these Australia wide. Let us know what you think. 4-inch Ford Ranger in stock, ready to go. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.